Hello, welcome to Chadani Solution. So today I'm going to show you how you can vectorize your image using your Illustrator. So I have an image here. I will okay. This is I want to vectorize this image. So instead of manually tracing it or manually tracing the image so that you can change the color of each area, you can try to vectorize it. You don't need to manually trace like that. So first go to Windows and then image trace. So after that, click the image and then click preview and then make this mode as color. Okay, so after that click uncheck the preview and then trace. After you click trace, go to object and then expand. After expanding, as you can see, this is the layers. So you cannot edit each layers not unless you ungroup. Okay, so after ungrouping, you can now ungroup. Okay, so if you drag each layer, see, you can easily change the color of this. Then turn it back to where it should. So something like that. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hello.